trying to catch the laser way down there. So if you could see that laser, it's squaring off the rebuild of my old tool shed. And whoops, I dropped the thing. And these are my pure foundations that will be holding up. And I'm 2,600 centimeters over at this side in my line all the way to the wall right there, to the concrete wall. And on the other side I'm 2,600 centimeters over there. And before I put up the laser, I did this all by hand by using strings and measuring, and then I just set up the laser to check how square I am. I am within 1 millimeter being out of square. I shot the laser going off the back side, the back, to square it up, and put the laser on this side and squared down, and I'm within less than 1 millimeter. So that's where I'm coming today.